This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, July the 20th, 2011. Let's first take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some complexes of thunderstorms across the country around the ring of fire of the heat and humidity over the center part of the country, with a large complex over most of Wisconsin. Here's the watch warning map from just before midnight. Some severe thunderstorm watches where that large complex was over Wisconsin. Some wind advisories over the Dakotas and into Montana. Otherwise, the nation is fairly quiet. And here's this graphic again. Excessive heat warning remains in effect statewide for today. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock shows a good deal of rain, upwards of an inch in quite a bit of the state, trailing off into the southern part of the state, which could see only a quarter of an inch. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. That 594 ridge is down to a small little portion of southeastern Missouri, but that still means it's still going to be hot, and it's still going to be humid, and it's still going to be hazy, and it's still going to be in the 90s with heat indices well over 110, and wind will be a little bit more breezy today out of the southwest at 5 to 15. Thursday, the model shows some possibilities of some showers and thunderstorms. It'll be a slight chance, better chances over the western half of the state. Temperatures will be slightly cooler. Friday, same as Thursday, slight chances of some showers and thunderstorms. Otherwise, it still will remain warm with highs in the 90s. Saturday, as we start off the weekend, looks to be rather wet with some chances of showers and thunderstorms, albeit at a 20 to maybe 40% chance at that. Sunday, a little bit drier, maybe about a 20% chance of a shower or storm. Highs will be dropping back to around 90, maybe some low 90s. Heat indices at or just above 100. Monday, the rain and precipitation moves south of the state. We should see some slightly cooler conditions, likely highs in the mid-80s to near 90. Tuesday, about the same story. The wind will begin to switch to the south, so temperatures will warm from into the upper 80s to lower 90s. Heat indices around 100 or slightly above. Wednesday, at the upper levels, a westerly flow across the country, with the main storm track at the U.S.-Canadian border, the ridge over the south or the southern half of the country, and with that could be a chance of some showers and thunderstorms a week from today as well, with a low pressure centered in South Dakota and another north of Winnipeg. We move further into Voodoo. Here's July the 31st. There's the 594 ridge back again, now centered over about Lyman, Colorado. We're on the northeast side of that ridge, so we could see some possibilities of some showers and thunderstorms, albeit slight. Highs likely will be in the 90s with heat indices at or above 110. And at the end of the forecast, August the 4th, there's the 594 ridge, now centered about over Paducah, Kentucky, with the main storm track well into Canada, and with that usually means that's where the showers and thunderstorm chances will be, albeit the model shows some decent chances possible over the area at that time. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.